Oh god dang, no, why again? As you remember, guys, I missed an Articuno, okay? Yeah. Now, I missed the second Articuno, and I think they're the same, yep, they're the same XP, but they're different location. And this one was, like, less time, so, but Moltres was released yesterday, I think, and, yeah. We were driving on the way back, and I just see that, right, 2 Articunos and 1 Moltres. I don't know why I didn't click on the gym, but I didn't click on the gym. Oh, I don't even get to see him that good. Wow. Just mad. That's 3 legendary raids. I would do anything for an Articuno right now. Anything, because he's the bird that represents my team. Let me know down below in the comments. But does Pokemon need to come? Does Pokemon Go need to come to the channel? I'm thinking it will. It won't take over the channel, but like it's gonna be like a mix between all the games that I play. So I need your guys' opinion. I don't know. Don't forget to turn on notifications, sub to the channel, leave a like, all that good stuff. And well, I'll see you guys next time.